What if I told you there's a country in Europe that will literally pay you over 4,200 euros just to move there? Not only that, you could get a work visa in as little as 1 month, live in Europe, and unlock access to the entire Schengen zone. Sounds unreal? Well, it's 100% real, and almost no one is talking about it. Hello, and welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you move abroad faster, smarter, and with real opportunities. And today, we're breaking down one of the most underrated immigration pathways in Europe right now, Lithuania. Let's start with the big question. Why Lithuania? Because this small country is quietly becoming a major European tech and innovation hub. Over 1,000 plus startups, fast growth in AI, fintech, and digital services, rising global investments, and a serious demand for international talent. But here's the real advantage. When you move to Lithuania, you're not just moving to one country. You get access to the entire Schengen area, just like countries such as Germany, Netherlands, or Belgium. Same Europe access, but way less competition. Now let's talk about what really matters. How fast can you move? Lithuania is one of the fastest immigration systems in Europe right now. Work permit approval, just 15 to 30 days. Visa processing, 15 to 30 days. That means if you get a job offer, you could be in Europe in just a few weeks. Compare that to countries where people wait 6 to 12 months. This is a massive advantage. Now here's the part that makes Lithuania truly unique. The government offers a relocation allowance of 4,200 euros to 4,700 euros. Yes, you heard that right. They actually pay you to move there. But there are a few conditions. You must be a first-time worker in Lithuania. You need a job in a high-demand field, and you must complete 6 months of work before claiming it. Still, that's real cash that can cover flights, rent, and even initial setup costs. Very few countries in the world offer something like this. Now let's talk long-term. If you're planning to settle in Europe, Lithuania gives you a clear pathway to permanent residency. You can apply after 5 years of continuous stay, whether you go via standard work permit or EU Blue Card. The timeline stays simple and predictable. And honestly, that stability is something many European countries don't offer anymore. If you're serious about moving, here's your exact roadmap. Step 1. Fix your resume. Keep it clean, honest, and aligned with European standards. Don't over-optimize with AI. Recruiters can tell. You can reach out to us to create a CV and cover letter in the right format with the right keywords for ATS software so that you get quick interview calls. Step 2. Apply through official portals. Use the Work in Lithuania platform. This is the government's official hiring portal for foreign talent. Step 3. Network smartly. Connect with recruiters, apply consistently, use LinkedIn wisely, and follow up. The people who succeed are the ones who apply plus network at the same time. Here's the truth most people miss. Lithuania is not overcrowded with applicants like Canada, UK, or Germany, which means higher chances of selection, faster processing, less competition, and you still get European lifestyle, strong job market, relocation bonus, and an easy PR pathway. Now I want to hear from you. What's your profession and experience? Drop it in the comments. I'll personally tell you your chances for Lithuania. And if you want more hidden immigration opportunities like this, make sure you subscribe, because I break down real pathways that actually work. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay focused on your global journey.